Take a ride in the 2018 Explorer. You've got a lot of capabilities to call on in a Ford Explorer. Don't underestimate your choices. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, Bluetooth, universal garage door opener, trip computer, compass, fog lights, MP3 capability, clock, brake assist, outside temperature gauge. Your new ride is just a phone call away.